I'm Jason Spera. I'm the CEO of Aegis Software and also one of the 3 co-chairs of the IPC CFX 2-17 committee. The industry needs some standard to democratize and standardize the data exchange between machines and systems in the factory, and CFX does that. And the reason it needs it is that everybody, of course, is talking about the benefits of Industry 4.0, AI, which AI then requires data. It all comes back to how are we going to get data from the machines into the business systems and back and forth among them and so forth. And if we don't have a standard that brings order to that in a free and open manner that everyone can agree upon, it leaves us having to build custom adapters to every machine and every system, which is what the industry has been doing for years, where every machine vendor has to worry about building adapters for each and every customer and their requirements, and then the software vendors are building their own adapters. It is a costly and unproductive way to handle the data exchange challenge in a production floor, and CFX has solved that by bringing a standard to the solution. Well, speaking now as the CEO of Aegis and not the chair of the CFX committee, the benefit, and I believe I could maybe speak for software vendors in general, and whether it's ERP or MES like us, is that we no longer have to be in that situation with our customers and the machine vendor partners where we are having the argument over what machines can emit what data, how should they emit it, who's going to build the adaptation layer, and all these custom things to get this data up so the customer can actually build value from it. What we want to be doing as a software vendor, and what we do, is harness the data. And with CFX, as it becomes the standard that it is and proliferates, that data will then be available to everyone through host systems like ours, which then we can really start thinking about the exciting things like what to do with it, how to apply artificial intelligence to it so that there can actually be the dream of the Industry 4.0 self-adaptive factory and all of that. All of that is dependent upon data, and that's why it's important to us.